has blessed this country generously with a bounty of favorable seasons, mountains and cliffs dotted with trees, flora and fauna, rich in beauty and varied colors. High peaks capped with frozen ice and glaciers, from where flow our mighty and pious rivers and lakes. The peninsula is surrounded on three sides by the vast ocean, and the deserts, with high sand dunes and a vast sea of sand, harbors a variety of flora and fauna and attractive local people. India is a country blessed by the God, but rapid industrialization and population explosion has contributed to environmental pollution and an increase in health hazards, resulting in a steep rise in a group of strains, disorders such as cardiovascular and respiratory diseases and degenerative disorders. Only in recent years, people have started realizing the importance of health care, a morning walk, jogging, light exercise and yoga to keep fit and trim and stay healthy.
Guggula pila nal choksha gandhi pramadanti tatparetat sarasa pratibuddha bhutana.
Guggulu, a precious plant of the Indian desert, is bestowed with enormous medicinal properties and is regarded as one of the Divyaushadhis in Ayurveda, that is, a drug of high repute and excellence as depicted in the ancient Vedic and Samhita literature.
Natam yakshma asandhate nainam shapayo ashnute jam bhekhajasya gugguloho surabhir gandho ashnute guggulur medo anil haranam.
Ayurveda, the science of life, is as old as humanity and was practiced by saints and seers alike. They thoroughly researched the medicinal use of plants and herbs to alleviate human misery. The basic concepts of digestion and metabolism are discussed in Ayurvedic texts.
गुग्गुलु देवधूपस्तु जटायु कौशिकपुरा. गुग्गुल एक बहुत पवित्र द्रव्य है और उच्च कोटि की रोगनाशक औषधि है. ये वृक्ष का एक गौण है.
Guggulu is a very useful plant exuding aromatic and highly medicinal gum resin. It is also used as incense and is a devadhoop offered to the gods. It is an important therapeutic agent to curb diseases.
हृदय को भी दूर करता है. मांसपेशियों के अंदर जितनी तंतुओं में स्तब्धता होती है, दर्दें हैं और नाना प्रकार की जो आम बात व्याधियां हैं, उन सब में गुग्गुलु का उपयोग बहुतायत से आयुर्वेद के लोग करते हैं.
Maharishi Charak has described 8-fold disabilities or ill effects that afflict a corpulent or obese person. Ayusho Rasha, shortening of lifespan; Javoparodha, hampering of movement; Krichira Vyavayata, difficulty in sexual intercourse; Daurbalyam, general weakness; Daurgandhyam, bad odor of the body; Swedabadha, excessive perspiration and unpleasant effect; Shuddhati Matram, excessive appetite; Pipasati Yoga, excessive thirst. These symptoms are identical to the clinical observations in obesity today. It can be said that the longer the belt, the shorter the life.
उत्पन्नेतु शिलाजतु गुग्गुलु गोमूत्र त्रिफला लोह रजो रसांजन मधु
In Ayurveda, Guggulu is a drug of choice for lipid disorders. Charak and Sushruta have included Guggulu in the group of 7 important drugs for the treatment of obesity, heart diseases, anorexia, localized abdominal tumor, and intestinal abscess. Properties of Guggulu: non-slimy, vishad, bitter, thick, hot in potency, ushna, aggravates pitta, pitta prakopaka, laxative, sarak, pungent, katu vipak, induces dryness in body. Ruksh, aphrodisiac. Vajikar, subtle. Suksham, promoter of voice. Swarya, rejuvenator. Ayushkar, digestive stimulant. Deepan, viscous. Pitchil, promoter of strength. Balya, alleviates cough and vata. Kapha vata hara, cures ulcer. Vranhara, cervical adenitis. Gandamala, adiposity. Medaswita, obstinate urinary disorders. Mutra vikara rodhi, diabetes. Madhume, gout. Vata rakta, appearance of sticky material in excess in the body. Prabhuta malotpatti, skin diseases. Leprosy. Kushtahar, rheumatism. Amvata, adenitis. Granthi, odema, shodh. Piles. Arsha, enlarged cervical glands. Gand granthi vridhi, parasitic infection. Krimi upsarg, pimples. Yuvana pidika.
Glue, that Commiphora vitae gum, is an important drug of Ayurveda. It is mentioned in the Vedas, which are supposed to have been written about 5,000 years BC. It has been an important drug of Ayurveda. It can be said as to be a mainstay of Ayurvedic therapy. In practice today, we have got about 30-40 Gugulu preparations which are being commonly used by Ayurvedic physicians. In recent times, after independence, intensive studies on the role of Gugulu in the treatment of control of lipid disorders has been taken up. Lipid disorder leads to atherosclerosis, which results in hemiplegia, cerebrovascular accidents, that is Pakshaghat in Ayurveda, and coronary heart diseases, that is ischemic heart disease, where it is useful in prevention of the angina, and in the post-infarct conditions. So it increases help in recovery of the early recovery of the patients.
The names of Gugulu in different languages are: the botanical name of the plant is Commiphora vitae. In Arabic, it's known as Muggil, Mogle Arzari, Aflatan. In Bengali, it is Gugulu or Mukul. In Kannada, it is Guggala. In English, it's Gum Guggal, Indian Delium. In Gujarati, it is Guggal or Guggali. In Hindi, it is Guggal or Guggul. In Persian, it is Beja Huradana. In Sanskrit, it is Gugulu, Guggala, Devadhupa. In Tamil, it is Guggulu, Gukkal, Mai Satihi, Kurgilyam. In Telugu, it is Guggulu. We now take you to a Gugulu plantation at the Council's Gugulu Herbal Farm, Mangliavas near Ajmer in Rajasthan. Gugulu is a spiny shrub or a small tree that attains a height of 1.2 to 4 meters. The bark is greyish, papery in texture, peeling off in flakes on the stem. Young parts are glandular, pubescent, the leaves trifoliolate, rhomboid, obovate, serrate near the apex. The flowers in the group of 2 to 3, maroon or reddish brown, male, female or bisexual. The fruit is reddish to purplish when ripe, 6 to 8 millimeters in diameter, ovoid, acute, and remains on the branches for 3 to 4 months. As far as its habitat is concerned, it has wide distribution in Rajasthan and Gujarat, besides a couple of other states such as Karnataka and Maharashtra. In the state of Gujarat, all of gum resin is collected in the whole of the Kutch division. In the Kathiawar region of Gujarat, a community of Brahmins called Gogali Brahmin usually extract, collect and sell guggal. In Rajasthan, guggal collection is confined chiefly to arid and semi-arid areas.
गूगल का गोंद निकालने के लिए
Extraction of gum is usually done by using concentrated solution of guggulu as an inducing agent. It is prepared in an earthen pot by stirring the mixture of guggulu powder and water with a piece of twig or stem of guggulu. Besides guggulu solution, the local people also use copper sulfate, the urine of a horse or a wild ass, cow dung, etc. as inducing agents. The incision or cut is usually given with a knife on the stem or the thick branches by dipping the knife in guggulu solution or other inducing agents. The incisions or cuts are not very deep, only up to the bark portion. Horizontal cuts of about 5 to 10 centimeters long at a distance of 30 centimeters are made on the stem. After the incision, the latex or gum resin oozes out through the wound as a yellowish fluid, which slowly hardens to form lumps of reddish-brown oleogum resin. The gum resin is ready for collection after 10 to 15 days of incision. It accumulates usually in vermicular pieces and is then dislodged from the branches or the trunk. The overexploitation, resulting in high mortality due to indiscriminate commercial extraction of the gum, has made this species endangered and is now on the verge of extinction in nature. The intensive infestation of termites has further added to the problem.
गूगल को जब टेप किया जाता है या इसको जब पीरा लगाया
After
जाता है,
incision and tapping has been made, roughly 200 grams of gum resin is collected from each
250 ग्राम
plant.
तक अधिक से अधिक गोंद हमने देखा है.
The guna karma of guggulu are rasa, tikta, katu, madhur, kashaya, guna, tikshana, sara, suksham, virya, ushna, vipak, katu, prabhava, tridoshahara, rasayan.
महिषाक्षो महानील कुमुद पद्मेत्यपि हिरण्य पंचमो गेयो गुग्गुल पंचजातय मृगांजन सर्वणस्तु महिषाक्ष इति स्मृता महानीलस्तु विज्ञेय स्वनाम समलक्षण कुमुद कुमुदाभस्तु पद्मो माणिक्य सन्निभा हिरणाख्यस्तु हेमाभ पंचानाम लिंगमीरितम विशेषेण मनुष्याणाम कनकः परिकीर्तितः.
In Ayurvedic literature, there are 5 varieties of guggulu based on the color of the gum, which are Mahishaksha, color of Bhringa or Anjana, Mahanila, extremely blue, Kumada, white in color, Padma, red like flesh, Hiranya, looks like gold. This variety is the best of all. We shall now take you with us to a plantation where preparations are in full swing for planting saplings of the guggulu. The laborer is cutting healthy stems for preparing cuttings for future plantations in the field. He is taking proper care so that every piece is suitably cut, that is, about 30 to 40 centimeters long and 2 to 3 centimeters in girth, and when he is satisfied, he picks up another piece and so on. The cuttings are ready for planting in the requisite beds. The land has been prepared with meticulous care and the cuttings are planted row after row. In the summer season, the month of June is most suitable and favorable for planting cuttings. Proper irrigation is of utmost importance after plantation of cuttings. Water pipes are spread over in the field and they are watered regularly at suitable and fixed intervals. Now these are ready to be taken out and transferred in plastic bags to be kept in the nursery. When the roots have sprouted from the stems, these are ready for plantation in the field. Besides this technique of planting, Propagation is also done by sowing seeds of Gugulu and through air layering technique. The Gugulu propagation through seed germination is not very successful. Before sowing, the seeds are subjected to mechanical scarification and are kept under running water for 24 hours.
जैसे कि इसमें सीजन में 2 दफे फूल आते हैं। इसके फल काफ़ी महीनों तक पौध पर रहते हैं। इसके फल में 66% मात्रा ऐसी है जिसमें ओव्यूल नहीं बनता और वे अंकुरित नहीं होते।
The rate of germination is very poor, only about 1 to 5%. It is perhaps due to the sterility of the seeds. Propagation through cuttings is quite successful, about 80%. A new technique of propagation through air layering in Gugulu has been recently successfully evolved. The rooted plants are raised in a short span of time in about 6 months with almost no mortality. A healthy tree of about 7 to 10 years old is ready for tapping gum and may yield 250 grams to 500 grams of oleo gum resin collected during the onset of the summer season, that is May to June. As we know, the resin occurs in vermicular or stalactic pieces, brown or dull reddish brown, on drying. The gum when burnt emits fragrant fumes and has a balsamic odor. When fresh, it is pale yellow or golden in color, viscous and fragrant.
We learned that biodiversity of medicinal plants is being lost due to overexploitation. We also found that many extinct species like Gugul, which were quite prolific in some areas in Gujarat, they have almost disappeared. And we found that by planting cuttings, we can propagate them. And in the first year when we did that, it was basically for the purpose of marking the fences of boundary lines of the tree growers cooperatives plantation areas. And we found that nearly 60 to 70% cuttings thus planted, they succeeded and they grew very, very well.
It is grown as a fencing for the fields to safeguard other crops from intruders. This means the shrubs serve a double purpose. In the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka, Gugulu also grows naturally and sometimes is cultivated or planted as a hedge near the seashore. With the depletion of the species in nature, efforts are being made to cultivate and propagate the species.
The Gugulu plant naturally occurs in scrub forest of Gujarat. It is at some places common, mainly in some interior parts of the Kutch and the patch between Harsad and Okha of Saurashtra, while it is sporadic in the other parts, that is Jamnagar, Surennagar, Bhavnagar district, Kheda and North Gujarat. Its main associates are Capparis aphylla, Acacia senegal, Euphorbia niveolea, Ziziphus numularia and others.
Gugulu is God's precious gift to human beings ever since human life originated on our planet. Nature has bestowed it with many surprising medicinal properties to alleviate human suffering. These Gugulu trees have been spuriously destroyed by the local contractors by exploiting the extraction of Gugal through unscrupulous means. With the increase in the population and depletion of forests, the local population had cut these trees to use it as firewood. The increased pressure of fodder on the forests turned the forests into grazing grounds, and the Gugulu plants almost vanished from these areas. The depletion of Gugal plants in nature decreased the yield and consequently affected the market. We are in the business of marketing Gugulu for the last 30 to 35 years. The arrival of Gugulu has stopped during the last 3 or 4 years. Earlier, Google to the tune of 3 to 4 quintals per day used to come here. Now the same has been dropped down to 250 grams to 1 kilogram. In the past, the price of good quality of Google was 40 to 50 rupees per kilogram. It is sold here at 80 rupees for a kilo, and that too of inferior quality. Now good quality Gugulu is sold at the rate of 200 per kilogram. Many traders have shifted their trade. This is a pharmaceutical company based in Junagadh. It is quite a big concern and deals in Ayurvedic medicines. This establishment specializes in the manufacture of different products of Gugulu, since it is a drug of choice for lipid disorders, obesity, heart ailments, and abdominal tumor.
Google is purchased from the open market, and nearly per year we are purchasing a 5,000 kg of Google from the open market. This Google is also purified in the pharmacy, and from that they are preparing a different type of the Google preparations like Kanchnar Google, Laghu Yograj Google, Punarnava Google, Srinath Google, Mahayograj Google.
Gugulu is first cleaned by skilled and experienced hands, and later on the same is purified for a process known as Shodhan Kriya. The essential oil is also extracted by steam distillation. Compound preparations are being made.